Welcome back to our channel Go Dynamic IT. As you know that we are already running the Easeus Todo backup software series where we are taking the various backup, restoring it and then exploring the other features. So if you want to know that how to install and how to take the backup, local backup, how to take the network backup, those kind of things, you can go back to my channel and look into that video. But in this one, we are going to discuss about the cloud backup. Yes. So this software support a backup feature called a cloud drive. So what you can do is you can back up your local data and put it on the cloud drive so that any kind of disaster recovery or any natural thing happens, you can recover your data. In case of system burn or anything, you can get your data back to normal. So you can see here, these are the cloud drive which will support. It will support cloud drive, Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, Mega pcloud. So almost somewhere like as of now, it's supporting 10 cloud drives. So in this video, we are going to explore the option that how you can take the backup on this cloud drive and then how we can restore it. So let's get into the configuration. So you can see here, let me go back and let's initiate the new backup here. Cancel. So what you have to do is let me show you the creating a backup first. Creating a backup is simple and easy process. So you have to select on create backup and you have to give the backup name like cloud drive. You can say cloud drive like Google. You can give the name like if you want to run the multiple backups, yeah, you can run the multiple backups on this one. So let's say this is the cloud drive Google, and then you have to select the file, which file you want to take the backup. So we have your own backup thing here like important data. These are all files here. I click on the OK. So now our source is completed. So we are backing up the important file here. You can see here. Now it's asking about where is the destination. You can see the arrow marks here is asking about the select the destination. So select the destination as my backup, and it said where you want to save it. So so far we have seen on the local drive. We have also created a video on the security zone. We have also done the backup on the network. I mean, network means our LAN in the different PC. And this is a software easiest to do. It will provide you somewhere like 250 GB of try in the trial license. So you have to create an account and then you have to log into here. So once you log in here, you get a 250 GB of a space for 30 days. Yeah, and you have to buy a space for it. So you can go with the Easeus Cloud Backup. But when you click on the network drive here, you can see here, this is about your local your network, you can earth option you see here. When you click on that, or when you know the IP address of your server or other PC, you can type the IP address and you can go browse it to the next PC, the other PC. But here, when you see click on the network drive, you can see it says that new cloud connection. Just click here. You can see here, it's asking about like which drive you want to select. So it's a Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, all these major ones are there. So let's go with the Google one because this is the most famous one. So let's click here and now it is taking me to this Google Drive. You can select your own. So let me put my username and password here for my Google account. Password. It's asking that do you want to enable it? Yes, go ahead and do that. It says you can see authorization success. Please return to Easeus to do backup and continue. So this is done. Now let's go back here. You can see here now our Google Drive is added. Isn't it a cool feature, right? I mean, sitting locally on our system, we can take the backup on the Google. We can utilize the Google Drive to take our backup, to secure our backup. Click on the OK, and now it's time to take the backup. Okay, so we are just click on the backup, and let's see, it's running, also already running the backup. It says that's backing up. See how much time it's going to take, and then we'll log into the Google Drive and see whether what backup we have received. Okay, so you can see here it says that 99% completed within a 45 second. Not even it took 1 minute. So you can see this backup is completed, and you can get the pop-up message that the task Google Cloud is successfully complete. Can we go ahead and see on the Google whether the backup is done or not? Right? Let's go ahead and check that. So let me log into my Google Drive, sign in. I'm logging in. I'm trying to log in here to see whether we have got our backup or not. Yeah, you can see here Google Drive full backup dot pbd. This is the backup file. This is the file extension for Easeus to do backup, and its timing you see here 9:52. That means this is working perfectly fine. We are able to take the backup up. So now can we do one more thing? Now you say that okay, backup is done. How about the restore? Okay, that's fine. So what we can do is let's delete this complete folder on from our desktop. Okay, so you can see here now I have deleted the folder from the desktop and we'll delete it from the recyclable. All. Let's assume that this is accidentally this happens on our system. Now it says that browse to recover. Okay, so it says that where you want to recover. Boss, I have taken the backup on the network drive on the where Google Drive. Let's select the Google Drive here. It says, what is your file name? Give me a moment. Okay, just select this Google Drive. Inside the Google Drive, you have to select the file. So expand this. You can see this is the file and click on the OK. So you can see the date wise. You can see today's date and just click on the OK. And it should ask us to where you want to restore in the original location or some other place. Oh yeah, here we go. It's asking that where you want to. So it's first it's asking about that which backup you want to restore. This is the full version. Like this, we have all. This will be helpful when you have a multiple version of your backup. So I want to recover it to the original location. So just watch this space. And now I click on the proceed. Continue recovering, and it's calculating this. You can see recovering 5%. Finished, done. And now you can see this folder has back important files and all my photos file, everything is intact. Isn't it a cool feature for you when you, especially when you have a standalone machine, or even though you have a network or a network of 10, 20 or 50 people, you can go ahead and enable this feature and utilize this free software. So I think we have covered this backup of our local data on the cloud drive. You can go ahead and select as per your requirement, and you can go ahead and restore it. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, query, or any feedback related to this video, please do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching my